Scrapbookers. I'm Megan, and I am back for the second time trying to do this video, and I'm really frustrated. Apparently my computer needed to be restarted, and it didn't want to tell me that before I started my video. So I actually already did the drawing. I picked out 8 names, and I went over all the prizes and everybody who won them. So congratulations to everybody. You're not going to actually see me pick out the names because I've already done that. But I did want to get on and show you how I did do it. I'm sorry also, and I apologize that this video is, let's see, I think a week and a half late. I told you guys I would be back on March 15th, and it has taken me a week and a half to cut out all these names and print them off, and I even enlisted Tinian's help last night so that I could finish it up. But it took me like 10 to 15 hours to get all of this done just so that I can do a giveaway for you guys. And then I was talking to my husband last night, and he was saying, Megan, you know they have software that you can use. You input names and it'll pick winners. And I'm like, are you serious? So I spent so long doing all of this, and I just found out last night that I didn't really need to. Okay, so I have all of the winners, and I have the description of everything that that person is winning. So here we go. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Okay, so first up, maybe I'll cover this up so that you guys are surprised. Okay, so first up, Tammy, and I'm not sure how to say your last name, Mcanally, you won the stash giveaway from me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together a little box, and I'm going to send that off to you probably later this weekend when I get time off of work. If you want to go ahead and shoot me an email, I'm going to write down my email address so that you can easily find it, but it's just cameramegan@gmail.com. So go ahead and shoot me an email and include your address and any other information you would like to give me. If you want to tell me what kinds of companies you like and stuff like that, I will put together a special little package for you from my stash. Okay, the second giveaway is a free kit from Christina, who owns the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. I love this kit club. Christina is one of my amazing and good friends, and the winner of that one is Pinky Noble. So go ahead and contact Christina. You can find her on Facebook and Instagram, and I would just shoot her a message. I'll leave a link down below to her website as well. You could contact her through her Secret Not Secret Kit Club website, and just tell her that you won the free kit from the 5-year Crafty Meggy YouTube-iversary. Okay, the next giveaway is 5 free cut files from Paige Taylor Evans. And she's amazing. I love her cut files, and I'm so excited. The winner of this one, if you do not own a cut file machine or any way to use a cut file, use these cut files, please send me an email, cameramegan@gmail.com, and let me know that you don't have a cut file machine, because I will give you something different. I will send you some stuff from my stash instead, because that's not fair if you can't really use the giveaway that you won, right? And I will pick a new person for the 5 free cut files from Paige Taylor Evans. But the winner of this giveaway is Gayle Churches. Yay, Gayle! So go ahead and contact Paige Taylor Evans. You can contact her on Etsy. If you're not really sure how to get in contact with her, then go ahead and just shoot me an email, and I will give you all of her information. Okay, this the fourth giveaway is from Sara Scraps, and she is going to be giving away a $10 gift card to a cherry on top. So yay! We love a cherry on top. And the winner for that giveaway is Carol Decamp. Yay, awesome, Carol. So go ahead and contact Sara Scraps. You can contact her through Instagram or Facebook. She's just Sara Scraps. And if you don't get a hold of her, just let me know and I will contact her for you. Okay, the fifth giveaway is from Beth Solar. She is giving away a gift card, I think, to Rock Your Notebook. She didn't tell me exactly what, but you can contact her on her website, and I think she's got all of her information on her website for Rock Your Notebook. But the giveaway winner for this is Christy Ankeny. Yay, Christy! If you are not familiar with Beth or Rock Your Notebook, you will not be disappointed. She's amazing at making her notebooks. For instance, I will grab one of the notebooks that I have handy here. This is one that I've had and I'm still trying to decide what I want to do with it. It's just got cardstock in it, but it's gorgeous, isn't it? I love it. I think it might be a notebook just for me, for fun. But that is one of Beth's notebooks. You will love her notebooks. Okay, the sixth giveaway is one free spot in a Victoria Marie mini class. I have taken all of her mini classes and they are awesome. I absolutely love them. She's a great teacher. The winner of that giveaway is Angie Pond. Woo! Angie! Go ahead and shoot Victoria Marie a message and she will just tell her that I sent you, that you were the winner of my 5-year YouTube-iversary. Okay, the next giveaway is from Janet Fritz. She's doing a stash giveaway just like I am, and the winner of that one is Cutting Up with Keller. So go ahead and send me an email, Cutting Up with Keller. Email me and I will let you know how to get a hold of Janet. So my email is cameronmegan@gmail.com. How many times can I say that in one video, huh? I'm very curious. Okay, Iris Fox is the last and final giveaway. She is doing a stash giveaway, which I was so thankful for some of these, like all of these ladies that were going to help me out, that volunteered to do stash giveaways and product giveaways and everything. Everybody in this community is just amazing. Okay, so drum roll for the last winner. And the winner is Teresa Hamilton. So go ahead and shoot Iris a message. She is known as Whimsy Fox on Instagram. You can send her a message on Instagram, or if you just want to shoot me an email and I can give you her contact information, because I don't really want to put everybody's contact information out there if they don't want it out there. So go ahead and send me an email if you're not sure how to contact the person that you won a giveaway from. I will have a link to the Secret Not Secret Kit Club and Paige Taylor Evans Etsy shop down below, and also Rock Your Notebook and Victoria Marie, so that you guys can hopefully easily contact the people that you want to give away from. But these are the winners. I am super sorry. I promise that I blindfolded myself. See, it's still tied. And yes, this is purple ribbon. And I picked 8 names out of here. And these are the 8 ladies that won. I'm so sorry that you didn't get to see it in real time. Shoot me an email if you were a winner, and I will be in contact as soon as I hear from you. Thank you so much to all of the amazing ladies that participated in my hop. I was blown away. I think I asked like 50 ladies because I wasn't sure how many would actually participate, and I think more than half participated. I think I had 35 to 38 women that participated in this hop. So that was just amazing to me. It totally blew my mind. There were like 80 to 100 comments on a lot of the videos, which I was just like, holy cow, this is crazy insane. So thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed to me and to these other ladies. Make sure that if you are new to my channel, that you are just here and new to YouTube, that you go back a few videos and check out my 5-year YouTube-iversary hop, because there were so many amazing videos that these women had scrap lifted me, and it was so fun to see my old layouts and to see how other people scrap lifted them and made them their own. It was just so fun to see that, and to see our community coming together and just having fun. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much for participating and for following me for 5 years. I hope I make it 5 more. And yeah, I hope you have a great scrappy week. Make sure that you contact me as soon as you can, and we will get you to the right giveaway host. Thank you so much. Have a great Monday, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.